Hello traders, let me share with you guys how we manage amazing profit on 24th of November, Friday 2023. Let me share with you guys pound dollar. If you look at the 4-hour chart, that's what explained my trader yesterday. If the market is going to break, this is the point of interest. As soon as the market broken, we went long here. Even if you look at here, market developed a low high and we were expecting a pullback long anyway. So market nicely developed pullback yesterday and beautiful. Now our target was around this level, which price nicely hit to the profit target. Now let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries in intraday. And if you look at here, that was a pretty straightforward based on the analysis. Market nicely broken even after the breakout. Market retest give us the confirmation. We bank amazing profit, as explained my trader, bank some profit and look for another pullback. After banking this profit, if you look at here, we have another beautiful pullback, long trade here again, because we constantly updating market updates and producing analysis just to make sure trader don't miss any opportunity. As you can see here, exactly mentioned, look for another pullback. You can see here the market nicely develop another beautiful pullback long trade here. As soon as the market hit based on the 4-hour, that's what explained my traders time to enjoy amazing profit. So you want to see those analyses with the full description with the live audio commentary support, guys, most welcome. Join our fast growing today community. Have a nice day.